11:57 p.m.
Every post is a signal. Give it fuel. Boost eggs, the social value layer.
Let's go. Good morning, my friends. It's your old pal, Peace Love Music, with another episode of the Let's Go Good Morning Show, brought to you live by DeOrganized Media in partnership with our amazing friends at Bitcoin Live Decentralized Broadcasting. It is Wednesday, 10th of September. Lots going on. So much cool stuff happening. We got some... we actually have a hard stop by 10 p.m. today, so the fine turnarounds at 9:30 are going to go real quick because there is a kickoff. Grants applications are opening today. We have a space at 10 a.m. in just a couple of hours, or an hour and a half, that we will be hosting along with the Stacks account. The new lead stewards for DeGrants Cohort 3 were announced. Spoiler alert, I am actually the steward for the Blue Sky track. I'm looking forward to being an official part of the team, and also with Benai, Hattie, Melanie, aka Good Kitty, and the Big Mac from the Bitflow crew, rounding out the group of stewards. I'm really excited about that. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. Got a lot of other stuff going on. Friendly reminder, this is a news show. We're providing news and information, sometimes some education, hopefully some entertainment. Never financial advice. Always do your own research. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Shave at night if you don't have time to do it in the morning. Peace. Remind me. I really wish I had another 5 minutes this morning. Also, guys, share the stream. Say good morning in the live chat. If you like what we're doing, if you like our show, if you like our format, you like the information we bring, or just the vibe, it really helps us when you share out the live stream and when comment in the live chat if you have something to say. And I know I ask for that, and then I don't get to monitor it all the time, but I really, really do appreciate it when you guys comment in the live chat. It really, really helps us out, and it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like people are engaged and listening and enjoying the show, even if it's feedback too, by the way. All that being said, the numbers this morning. How am I on here? Oh, that's why. All right. Let me actually get my screen share going. We're going to take a look over at CoinMarketCap. Check out the numbers this morning. Bitcoin coming in at 113,238. That is good. We're still green over the last 7 days for the top three. Ethereum coming in at 43.74. Oh, good luck to you, XRP boys. You're pushing $3 again. I hope it works out well for you. Lots going on in the space. Let's take a look at Stacks coming in at 65.24, right about where it was yesterday. It's 0.6% down from right about where we were in the last 24 hours. So just slightly under where we were yesterday. I think it was like 65.72. Holding on to the number 75th spot by market cap on CoinMarketCap. Fear and Greed Index coming in at 43, right around the same place as it was yesterday. I think it's slightly higher, but still in that low neutral range. And the top three gainers over the last 24 hours, I just sort that there, right? I click that, sorts the top three gainers over the last 24 hours. I think that's out of the top 100, by the way. I don't think it's out of all tokens, which is more actionable, by the way. Like, you don't want to see, it doesn't matter if token number 2,372 had a 200x, because it's probably not going to have a 200x continuing. And I would just ignore the noise on those ones. So top three gainers out of the top 100 on CoinMarketCap for the last 24 hours. Pump Fund, Mix Finance, and Mantle Token. Pith in there, Avalanche Ondo, rounding out the top tokens there. Let me actually get into the news here. If I can there we go. All right, so we do this every day. We bring you the news, all the information we can about what's going on in the ecosystem. We talked about the top gainers. I think something changed in the last hour or so when I was pulling this data from before. But our lead story today is actually the most interesting one for me. And, we obviously have a huge following within the Stacks ecosystem. We love Stacks. We cover a bunch of Stacks. Our show is powered by Stacks. So we are super excited to hear about the announcement of the sBTC cap removal. It unlocks Bitcoin liquidity. Bitcoin L2 Labs announced that on September 16th, just 6 days from now. The cap on sBTC will be lifted, transitioning from a phased rollout to unrestricted Bitcoin liquidity on Stacks. The move enables open inflows and outflows of BTC, lowering the minimum deposit from 0.01 to 0.001 BTC, making access easier for smaller holders. Benefits include smoother exchange listings, expanded developer opportunities, and institutional on-ramps. while also paving the way for dual stacking and Bitcoin native DeFi products. With $545 million total value locked already secured and BTC rewards distributed to early adopters, this marks a pivotal milestone for Stacks. Personally, I am super excited. What I am expecting to see is just more inflows. I don't think you're going to see a lot of outflows from sBTC to BTC. Why would you? You're earning yield on Stacks. It's safe and just way more functional, way more usable, faster to send, cheaper to use. Get in on sBTC. Sharplink launches a $1.5 billion ETH treasury buyback. It's an interesting one. Sharplink Gaming, a publicly traded Ethereum treasury company, launched a $1.5 billion share repurchase program after its stock fell below net asset value. The firm holds around $3.6 billion in ETH, mostly staked, and operates debt-free. Management highlighted that buying back stock is immediately accretive to shareholders, contrasting with equity issuance that would dilute ETH per share. The move reflects confidence in its ETH treasury model and mirrors a growing corporate trend of leveraging crypto reserves in strategic finance. Shares climbed over 6% after the announcement. That's the move. If you got the budget to do it, I'm really worried about some of these companies not doing it the right way. And I mentioned on the Runelings space yesterday that I think that could be the catalyst for the next correction and the advent into the next bear market is these digital asset treasury companies over leveraging and not having the ability to rebalance and having to sell, and causing a cascading effect. What I think is going to happen. Oh, your numbers on StackingDAO today: 8.68% APY on liquid STX, 8.43% with rewards in sBTC, and native STX. You can earn regular BTC rewards at 9.13% by stacking your stacks over at StackingDAO. China slides back into deflation. China's consumer price dropped 0.4% year over year in August, while producer prices fell 2.9%, marking nearly 3 years of factory deflation. Weak domestic demand, falling food prices, and export pressures all weighed on growth, despite government measures like subsidies and loan support, while core CPI excluding food and energy edged up 0.9%. Analysts warn the deflationary trend risks dragging consumer sentiment lower. Beijing's anti-involution campaign seeks to curb overproduction, but economists argue structural reforms and stronger domestic consumptions are needed to stabilize growth. Solana strategies land on Nasdaq. Sol Strategies has officially launched on the Nasdaq Global Select Market, trading under the ticker STKE. The fund offers structured yield products linked to Solana DeFi, now accessible through regulated U.S. markets. This milestone provides institutional investors a new avenue into blockchain-native financial products, potentially accelerating mainstream adoption. The listing signals a deepening bridge between Wall Street and decentralized ecosystems, highlighting investor appetite for tokenized strategies amid a maturing regulatory environment. Power your swaps with bitflow. Bitflow aggregates liquidity from across all Stacks DEXs to give you the best rates every time. Trade smarter, not harder. Huge fan of bitflow. Guys, by the way, if you haven't yet, head over to the Reddit, the crypto what is it? Cryptocurrency. It's the largest crypto Reddit. It's r/cryptocurrency, capital C's. There is an ongoing AMA. Dylan from Bitflow is answering questions about Bitcoin capital markets, and the ability to earn on your Bitcoin with products like what Bitflow offers. Metaplanet raises $1.44 billion for Bitcoin treasury. Japanese firm, hospitality and real estate company Metaplanet announced a massive equity raise. So it's a hospitality and real estate company, Metaplanet. Many of you probably don't know that, but you've heard of the name. They've announced a massive equity raise, issuing 385 million new shares at approximately, I think it's $3.75 billion each, to secure about $1.44 billion. The funds will go toward expanding its Bitcoin holdings, part of its strategic pivot to become Japan's MicroStrategy. Settlement is slated for September 16th, with just the same day as the sBTC cap raise, with share delivery the following day. This reinforces Metaplanet's transition into a corporate BTC treasury vehicle, reflecting growing adoption of Bitcoin as a reserve asset among publicly traded companies. Gemini and Figure target U.S. IPOs. Crypto exchange Gemini and fintech lender Figure are jointly pursuing a U.S. IPO, with filing indicating a multi-billion-dollar valuation. Sources say investors' interest is robust, pushing the price range higher than initial expectations. If successful, it would mark the largest U.S. crypto sector listing since Coinbase, offering fresh capital and visibility to both firms. The deal will test investor appetite for digital asset companies in a volatile regulatory climate, with Gemini emphasizing its trading platform's strength and Figure highlighting blockchain-based lending innovation. I'm always a big fan of more development and more opportunity for people. And if that's what we're providing, then great. Ripple dominates XRP rich list. Ripple Labs remains the dominant holder of XRP, controlling around 42% of the supply. This includes 4.5 billion XRP in liquid accounts and 35 billion XRP locked in escrow, with 1 billion released monthly via smart contracts. Typically, over 60% of released tokens are relocked, limiting immediate market impact. While the mechanism stabilizes supply and price predictability, it reinforces centralization concerns within the community. Critics argue Ripple's influence undermines decentralization, though XRP continues to see strong liquidity and institutional adoption in payments and settlements. Interesting stuff. I missed the ETF numbers. I'm not sure what I did there. Sorry. I haven't had a chance to re-grab them. The top 5 gainers on stacks via STX Tools are Leocoin, Meme, Welsh, Nasty, and Skullcoin, rounding out our top 5 gainers over the last 24 hours. You should use STX Tools to do your own research on stacks, STX, and stacks tokens over at stxtools.io. I gotta make sure I'm supporting my posts. DeGrants Cohort 3 stewards are announced. I mentioned everyone here, super excited. Guys, tune in at 10 a.m. We do need more people to contribute, by the way. We are looking for more people in the community to be involved. The opportunity isn't just to get some funding for a project. You'll have opportunities to go shape what's being built, add your influence, learn some information about what is being built, and get to know who's building and build your network in the space. Join us at 10 on the DeOrganized account. We also have later today, we had a great whatever morning show. Every morning, by the way, it's the great way to start the day. 8 a.m., half an hour before we go live, Binta does the whatever morning space with the DeOrganized Good Vibe Tribe. You should absolutely tune in. It's the vibe. It's always good. It's always fun. Even if it's a bad day for us, whatever's going on in the space, we work it out, we figure it out, and we're developing ideas all the time. So you should definitely join us. We have our show this morning and every morning at 8:30 a.m. Find to earn rounds at 9:30, which I left off the schedule today. We do have find to earn rounds at 9:30 where the game master comes and plays with us. I'm not sure of all the sponsors for today. I have to double check with the game master and see what we have on deck. But that is what we have going on at 11 a.m. Tune in after the Stacks DeGrants Cohort kickoff. Get in the Zest Protocol Community Hall with GP, the advisor. Jack's usually there. I will be there. We will be talking about all sorts of stuff going on in the ecosystem. Leo Coin Art Space with Mel, Reese, and Rubes at 1 and at 7 p.m. Do not miss the DeOrganized Nightly Show with GPSC and friends. It is the best way to round out your day. That, my friends, is the news. I am going to read a quick word about our amazing sponsors. We have some great marketing partners in the space. StackingDAO is the leading liquid staking platform for the Stacks network. StackingDAO is changing the game by letting users earn up to 10% APY on their STX while keeping their assets liquid. Unlike traditional staking, there is no minimums, and users can start earning rewards immediately, even when moving from other stacking pools. Plus, you've got options. You can choose to earn your rewards in STX or sBTC, whatever fits your strategy. I use both. If you want to start earning yields today, head over to stackingdao.com and jump in. StackingDAO is where liquidity meets opportunity. And we have another amazing partner at bitflow. bitflow is the top DEX on Stacks, letting you trade native BTC, sBTC, STX, USDC, runes, and more all in one place by aggregating the best prices on Alex, Arcadico, and Valar. Recently, bitflow rolled out flex pools, launching with STX to support liquid staking assets. That's flexible pools, flexible options, flexible deposits, smarter rewards, deeper liquidity. No impermanent loss when you put in your STX, which you're holding an appreciating value against your STX. You can now go and earn more yield in the pools at bitflow. Check them out. Gonna bring on the homies. We got GP in the house.
Good morning.
How was soccer practice last night?
Good, man. Good. The little ones running all over the field and getting more organized, surprisingly. They're all very well behaved, so it was great. Got Hannah in the house. Good morning, Hannah.
GMGs. Yeah, it's good to be here on the DeOrganized show.
Let's go.
Yeah. Shout out to everybody who's
What's up,
tuning in.
brother? How you doing today?
Oh, good, oh, fresh. You see the
I see
smiles.
the smiles. I see the bucket
Just
hat.
coming-
I
just
actually
coming-
saw you
Yeah,
messing with the
bro.
hat. I was like, oh, I got to get him on screen now. That's good content right there.
Yeah, bro. Like, yeah, when we are coming from the space, we always have a good time with GP and Benta. Yeah, it's a good time to
Pip
be
was
in the
up on
space.
stage, and he wasn't really rugging. I love that people were busting his balls about it.
Yeah.
And when he came on, Hazel, yeah, I missed the last like 10, 15 minutes because I was doing my thing. But yeah, I love it. That's the whatever morning space is really like. I was really upset that I thought I was going to miss the whole thing this morning. I got in late, but I got the vibes. I picked up the vibes, and that's really what it's about, right?
The vibe was high this morning. It was fun. Everybody was kind of poking fun at each other and having a good laugh and getting a great start. It's a great start to the day every single day. Chilling with Benta and the Good Vibe Tribe.
It really is. She really sets the mood right.
Yeah, and it's cool to hear from Winnie as well. When you came on and kicked it with us, that was awesome. I love seeing people that have been in our ecosystem for a while and contributing. Start to find their voice on spaces. It's good. It's good.
Yeah, it's really good having. Yeah.
Go ahead, Hannah.
Oh yeah, it was really good having a speak on the spaces and have all the ambassadors in one room, having a good time and enjoying and every moment. So yeah, it's really good.
I had no idea that she's the one that onboarded you into Stacks. That was a cool little bit of like lore and alpha.
Who?
Yeah, bro.
Winnie.
When you
Really?
Yeah, I remember back in the days, she reached out and she was looking for an artist to help on a collection she was working on, and yeah, I jumped on this, jumped on a project, and I created something for her, and that is when I started learning more about the StackX ecosystem, and yeah, that's how I find myself. And I think she was caught up with schoolwork and stuff, so she wasn't much active, but she was behind the scenes. So yeah, that is how I got into the StackX ecosystem.
That's awesome. I've known the name in the ecosystem for a little while, but I've only really known her from Find to Earn. And then she was actually on Team Alpha Squad with us, and she was very engaged and very productive part of the team. So I was like, oh, this is great. You're really like you're a value add commodity to the ecosystem. You should absolutely be part of the team, you know. So
they had a bunch of she had a bunch of friends from where she stays who were very active back in the days in the ecosystem. I don't know what happened to them. We had also devs here from Zimbabwe. They were building they built a marketplace the time where we had art on Stacks and which one before Gamma became Gamma, it was still NFTs on Stacks, was it?
Yeah, Stacks NFT. Was it Stacks?
Yeah. They built a marketplace which was working, and also they built a game on chain. So I don't know what happened to them. I'm trying to reach out to the guy. I think he's in the groups. His name is Dreamer. He's a good dev. I don't know why he's not putting in so much work these days. I think maybe because of funding and stuff. But I told him to reach out to Hero if he wants to apply for a grant for the projects that he's working on. I think I'll put more pressure to him and tell him to submit.
Yeah, we need more builders. There's more opportunities for our builders coming up with this new cohort, right? With DeGrants Cohort 3. Seeing
also,
that
I would, even if you're not really ready, like if you don't have a full idea yet, DeGrants is for bootstrapping stuff.
Yes.
So, and even if you don't get funding this round, there are a lot of people that didn't get funding in Cohort 2, but made some really awesome networking connections and built out their projects anyway. And
that's where I met a lot of the people that are doing great work within this ecosystem. It is such a great opportunity to network and get to know some of the key contributors on the ground floor that are working to provide value and find new opportunities for everybody. We have some really base stewards this cohort. I saw that Hattie, Mel, you're on there. I saw who else? It was Big Mac. Big Mac is on there.
And Benai.
Yeah, and Benai. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's sick, man.
Yeah, pretty solid group of stewards for sure. And just, I mean, thank you. Happy to be included with that awesome group of people.
Yeah, it's gonna be a badass cohort. I can't wait to see what comes out of it. You know, I think they had something like, I think I heard something like 36 applicants for these stewards.
It was at least 37. I want to say it was probably closer to like 40 something by the time they actually closed applications, because it was 37 with like 3 or 4 days left.
That's awesome. A lot of people, you know, filled out for the spot and got it narrowed down to just about everybody that is a steward now participated in cohort 2. So they kind of know the processes and how things should look. It's shaping up to be a very solid one.
It is. And you know what? Not to change the subject, huge shout out to Ileana, by the way. She's been doing a great job organizing the DeGrants process and really driving it in a great way. So I'm excited about working with her on this as well. But we'll talk more about that at 10. One thing I wanted to bring up, and I normally this is something that we bring up offline. It's like work related, kind of thing. But I think I'd love to actually. So I think something we can do that would make the find to earn rounds more fun, and also even better turnaround for the meme coin sponsors, right? Would be if we had like a little 30-second spot made for each sponsor and played like a little ad or a little fun video when their game round launches, to kind of give it'd be fun.
I think that's cool. Yeah, I think that's cool. A cool idea. It goes into like
we had an amazing AI assassin that could use some AI tools to make us some videos like that. You guys know anybody?
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, that's such a cool idea.
Yeah, I think
the more content that we get out of the guild that is being used and stuff like that, it's gonna be part of
it brands the guild. It gives them right. It shows work that they've done, so it's something that they can point to. It gets engagement for them because it'll be tagging them too in the posts on it and stuff. So I think it's we'll talk more about it, but I just I didn't want to forget about it because
you're thinking about
distracted from my good ideas with stuff I have to go fix for my less good ideas.
You're thinking of stuff that goes into the production side of making a show, and I think that it would be really good to see something like that. Really shout out our sponsors and give them a little bit of exposure, so to speak. I think it's a great idea.
The other thing I'm thinking about too, and I keep thinking I want to mention to Trip. Trip's working on a really cool writing app. He's testing right now. Be on the lookout for more from that later this week. Right now it's like more structured, specific things, but I think it could really be actually a great place to maybe even write articles. And now I'm getting the article. I stopped relying on ChatGPT to get the articles for me because it's too inconsistent and unreliable. So I actually use an app called Feedly that ChatGPT suggested to me. It's like, listen, sorry, I'm an asshole. Use this app. I can't do it for you.
Yeah,
I could.
Yeah. You remember the time when ChatGPT had a battle with Elon, and it suggested that Elon is more trustworthy than Sam Altman. And yeah, what you're saying is so true about ChatGPT. I don't know if I'm able to pay the new subscription this month because I see that even if you're trying to make this content, it gives you this generic AI type of wording and stuff. So I think I'll try
and rework and reprompt and refine.
Yeah,
it's a lot of work. And so for the news items, I've been going to Feedly and just kind of going and reading all and picking. It takes me a lot longer because I have to go through. And I'm reading stories we don't use. And I'm like, you know what though? I could actually instead of actually just putting the links to these stories in the posts, I could actually start writing our own coverage of these stories, posting them through the DeOrganized Inc. app, and then having our articles on chain that we can then share out.
Have you tried Caesar? Have you tried Caesar? Because a lot of people are saying so much about Caesar. I saw Rubes posting about it, and
I hear it. Rubes have been posting a ton about it. My understanding is that it's really awesome. I just haven't had a chance to play with it yet.
I think it's
I haven't bought any of the tokens yet either. I should.
They're saying that it's 200 lifetime. The last time I heard, $200 for lifetime.
$200 roughly. I don't even know, is the price up or down on the two? Where do you, is it Solana? It's on Solana, right?
Yeah, it's on Solana.
Yeah. I might have to pull out my Agent Hustle allotment and get some. I probably can buy it right through Agent Hustle. But yeah, I definitely should try out. And you were also Perplexity. This is the second time you're mentioning that one to me too.
Yeah, I heard that it's really good with articles, and Rash has walked me through it and showed me how this works. He said this one is better than GPT when it comes to writing, because what GPT does, it just searches over the internet, but this one, it doesn't search over the over the internet when it's writing articles. And this, they're saying that this model is really nice when it comes to writing. And also I've tested it. It doesn't show that AI stuff. It doesn't, you don't need to rework and reprompt like you do in chat.
That sounds like it's worth my time to learn.
It sounds like it sticks closer to the story. Just brings more.
But then all of a sudden, instead of like 5 or 6, 7 posts where we're posting links to articles outside of DeOrganized, we can actually start producing stories ourselves on the same subject. Because I'm doing a summary. I'm writing up a summary on these stories anyway.
Right.
So I'm basically just covering the same news. And if I aggregate it from a bunch of different stories, then I'm actually getting better content anyway. I'm getting more of the story. And then I'm putting the content on our website, which is also more valuable than a one-time, than just the engagement from a daily post. Now there's more meat to the post because it's different stuff.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool to see whenever DeOrganized has the
Let's
tweet.
go, Scrooge McDuck, bro. Yeah, I was looking at your T-shirt.
Coolest picture I ever.
Oh, shirt, isn't it? It's a good shirt.
Yeah, it's fresh, bro.
So much traction out of this one T-shirt. $5, maybe $10. I don't remember what it was. This is a Walmart special. Every so often,
Walmart shirts are the best. They got the best graphic tees, man.
And you can just and they're cheap, so you don't care if it gets messed up. You don't care if it.
You'll get another $5.
Like how much cheap?
Well, it used to be cheap. Now it's everything cheap is still expensive now because of how shit money sucks. But I'm gonna say $10 tees.
Oh, nice.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, whenever I'm getting fly, man, that's what I do. I just go to Walmart, get a graphic tee, because they always have like a huge. That's their biggest section in the men's, section is graphic tees. They got a whole wall.
They usually have like 5. For us, they have like 5 different like spinning displays, and they'll be like different. Like one will be more like cartoon oriented, one will be more like music stuff oriented, one will be like a different kind of like pop culture stuff, like like soda, like Mountain Dew or Coke or like Mustang or something like that. So lots of options. For the problem is you got to go into Walmart, which
that sucks.
I don't know if you guys experienced this, but and I get it less so now, so maybe they changed something, but years ago and for a long time, like I could only be in Walmart for like 10 minutes before I just start getting like crazy anxiety and stress and angry. Like, I gotta get the hell out of here. I gotta get out of here. I think it was something in the way that they were doing advertising and marketing and messaging in the store.
It's just a giant white, like everything is just like white walls, white floors. It's just a giant warehouse full of stuff. And I get the same way. It's like
it could be overstimulation. Yeah,
overstimulation is exactly what it is. Too much to look at. And then you have a big old list. You got to go all the way around the store. Forget about it.
We got about 14 minutes until Find to Earn. Do we want to try another game?
Dude, I'd love to see you guys go at it again. I know that.
I'd like to see the match between you two, and then I'll take on the winner.
Oh, so you just want to see me get whooped on?
But I can't log in on my computer.
No, bro.
On my computer yet.
Look at me.
You can screen share. Hold on. Let me see if I can log in.
telling me I
I don't
gotta
know
get
what
whooped
my login is
twice,
for chess.com.
twice in 2 days.
Peace. Did GP told you what he did yesterday? It was personal what he did. I bit about chess live, and then he called me to Discord to play his games, and then he whooped us like big mad. Yeah, big mad. You see that laugh, bro?
It was not set up like that. It was not let me get back at 300. No, I got whooped. I can lose with dignity and then still play a different game and win. Completely uncorrelated. You just ended up showing up and getting whooped. It's not my fault.
Yeah, bro.
Me,
Yeah,
though.
but yeah, I like the fun that you guys have, and I'm not gonna miss those screen shares, bro.
It's a good one. It's a good time to, like, we kind of looked through. We took a look at the chart, scanned the the timeline to see if there's any new updates from any of the builders from the Stacks ecosystem, and then we played some games. I think it was a nice, well-rounded screen share. We're gonna do the same today in the Zest Discord. We've been doing a content workshop too, so I've been going through and making some content live, doing some cooking with a general image manipulation program, and then getting that and taking it to Google AI Studio, running it through, getting some animations. So we'll probably do something similar to that, and then play some games at the end of it.
I can't figure out my log. Maybe I'll just set up a new one for. I don't know what
You forgot your password?
It's going to take me too long to get my username set up. By the time it'll be time for a find to earn if I do it.
So if I send you the invite, you won't get it?
No, I can. I can do it on my phone. I just can't screen.
Okay. Yeah. Let me screen share, and then let me send you the invite. Where is Father Homer? There you go. How many minutes? 5-minute blitz. There you go, Father Homer. Accept the invite. Oh, today I'm black though.
Let's go. Is that first or second? Who goes first in chess? White or black? White. Yesterday you were white. Today you were black. Let's see who wins. Yesterday you guys had a great game. I feel like maybe this is the time for a comeback. Let's see. We're also going to be sponsoring, figuring out how to sponsor some blitz chess rounds on DeOrganized Nightly. So we're going to play some chess and check out chess on chain. So get ready, set up your profile, connect your wallet. I think that it's chain agnostic, so it's got a few different chains, like Polygon, Near, a couple different blockchains that you connect your wallet to, including Stacks. So you connect your Leather wallet, get right in there, start earning your on-chain chess score.
The heart rate is pumping, bro.
Oh shit! Good luck. Looking like you might want to move that horse. Let me stop talking and giving you moves. Want to see a fair game. Can't be choosing sides. Looks like we lost your video there. Is he still playing? Yeah, there you go. So is there time per move, or is it you're just like it comes down to 5 minutes and it's done? Whoever has the most points wins.
There's a timer.
So at the end of 5 minutes, whoever has the most points, is that how this plays out, or
whoever made the last move, actually whoever runs out of time loses. If you run out of time, you lose. And I have almost a full minute advantage, so now I just have to play slow.
I see.
Hmm.
I see.
Oh, shoot. See what happens here.
I'm wondering who's going to be the best chess player in our ecosystem. Who's going to be the grandmaster? I know we've got a couple good players. We've got used twos. We've got Freddie. Freddie also, I heard Freddie's been playing some chess a little bit. Curious to see
And
other players.
Neil, Obiodo BTC.
Another good player. I think
I think
starting
Peace
a
is
league-
going to get this one, bro. This is no pressure.
I mean, he's just good at chess. And then also you have the pressure of a 5-minute game. So blunders happen.
If you see Peace got more time than me, I think I'm under pressure, bro. This is super pressure. But anyways, it is what it is, bro.
You got this. Don't give up.
This is Peace we are talking about.
You both of you is on the Alpha squad. I need to get somebody from the dude squad on here to play against y'all, so we can have a real rivalry. Slowly but surely, just whittling down. Lost the queen, lost the castle.
Yeah, now my time is.
Oh, shit. It's not that it's a close game.
Oh, it's a close game. He's definitely like. I just got a big time advantage, so I just got to wait him out now.
Oh, I got 2 minutes and 50 seconds to checkmate Peace.
He's got a minute 30.
Oh, 1 minute and 30, bro.
Oh, 1 minute and 30. Oh, I can't see yours because I see now. Okay, so if I hide this, there's another timer down there. Down at the bottom. How did he get almost a minute more than you? It's crazy. It's kind of compiled each move.
You might got it. You might got it.
Yeah. No, no queen for you. Is this going to be the comeback of the century in 1 minute and some change? 1 minute and 5 seconds? We shall see. What do you get if you get 2 pieces all the way to the other side? Do you get 2 queens?
Yeah, you can get multiple queens. He's got me.
In the crosshairs, can you get the checkmate? 35 seconds.
I shouldn't have taken that pawn. I should have let him play with it. Well done, Hannah.
Oh, that was a close one, bro.
Yeah, it was a damn good one. Good game, guys. So 1 for Peace, 1 for Hannah.
Sorry, I think I bumped the button by accident. I thought Hannah was playing a victory.
Yeah, bro.
Had to give him a victory celebration there.
It was definitely something. It was definitely something.
Dude, I did that same thing during the night show. I was trying to find something got rearranged just a little bit, and it threw me off. I clicked the button and it wasn't the intro. Went through the same thing. Just pushing buttons.
Oh, you know what? Real quick before we go into Find to Earn, I mentioned this during the news segment, but the last 3 days, Bitflow has been being featured on an AMA on the cryptocurrency Reddit. There's 10 million members. It's the largest crypto Reddit that there is. And so there's tons of activity. Dylan's on here. He's got a bunch of information. People are asking questions. They're giving away $500 in sBTC to the best questions in the AMA. So you guys have an opportunity. Actually, I'm going to drop the link below the live stream. So it's easy. It is in the morning post from yesterday as well, and I've posted it in a few of the group chats.
Yeah, can you post it in the private chat here as well?
Yeah, let's post it in the private chat. You guys can have it too, and we can share it out into the interwebs. Oh wait, that's not the right one. Hold on, I got the wrong one. That was the wrong link. What did I do? There it is.
Yeah, I'll make sure to share that to the Zest and StackingDAO Discord.
Yeah, share it around the Discords. It's very important. It's really big. It's an opportunity for Bitflow. So you guys have an opportunity to go out and support them. Go blow up this AMA. Get some, show them that Stacks represents. Even though that Reddit might not be where a lot of us hang out, there is actually a lot of crypto community on Reddit. So get out there and support. It's really a huge opportunity for Bitflow to get some exposure and for us to drive some engagement from outside the ecosystem into the network. So I'm dropping that link. I just dropped that link on the comments below the live stream, so you guys have access to it there. And go in, get engaged, respond to some of the other comments, upvote the good comments. You might actually find some of our friends on there as well under different names, but you'll see some familiar PFPs. So maybe you'll actually expand your network into Reddit as well. Head out and support. Nice. So, and you know what? It's just about time for Find to Earn. I'm sure the Game Master will be here soon. Good morning, Tinderly. Good morning, Megaphone. Guys, rule number 1 of Find to Earn, share out the live stream. I'm going to play a quick word from our sponsors, and we'll be back with Find to Earn rounds momentarily. Stay tuned. is
Those
time
ads
for
are so
Friday.
good. Whoever put them together.
Say that again, GP.
I said whoever put those ads together did their thing. Very cool ads.
Yeah, I know. I don't know who it was. I've asked and never got an answer. I'll have to. I know.
Sounds African.
I mean, I know. I think Big Mac or Samisa had something to do with one of them. But guys, the Game Master is here in his true form. How are you today, sir?
GM mortals. As eternal as
GM.
ever.
Let's go.
Let the hunt begin.
Let the hunt begin. Sir, I just want to let you know I have a full hard stop at 10
Yeah, I know.
for the space for the DeGrants
Yeah, I will
applications
put
and opening space at 10 a.m. But we have some awesome rounds for you guys today. So we are excited to get the ball rolling. As soon as the Game Master sends me the image for our starting one, I will share that with you momentarily. But we have a bunch of rounds for you guys today, and some updates coming soon.
Yeah, let's play fast today. Like we can do it fast, you know, any moment. Like we can play very fast.
Very good, very good. Yeah, I like the fast rounds too. And we got a POS sighting, our first round for today. I'll show you guys that image right now. This is the POS located outside of a loading facility somewhere. POS is integrating point of sale purchase opportunities in retail. That's their goal. It's a part of the STX AI project. We're super excited to have them part of this. And you guys get an added advantage by tuning in to the start of the show. Only people tuning in live get this image early. So you can start getting an idea. You can start memorizing it. You have a little bit of extra exposure. And we're going to launch that game round now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. GP, you want to share or you want me to?
I can share.
All right, cool. GP is going to share his screen. Show you. Actually, we can both do. Want to do it like yesterday where we're both sharing? All right, I'm gonna leave GPs up for a minute while we're getting ready for the next couple of games. Good luck, hunters.
Good luck, hunter.
Guys, remember to like and share the game round. Make sure you share out the live stream. It's very important. It helps us grow. It helps us reach new audiences, exposing them to these amazing tokens, the community on Stacks, and helping bring more people into our ecosystem. Share out the live stream, comment below, comment in the live chat, and make sure you're following Skullcoin and DeOrganized so that you see these rounds when they launch. Sometimes they're not going to be all on the morning show. Sometimes there's spaces that Xeni does, special pop-up spaces. Sometimes they're in Discord channels. Sometimes they're on the night show. You guys don't always know unless you're following.
So we are clicking on that starting location there, that link, and copying the location just in case. It brings us here in Spain. We are looking around in Spain. We can click this little yellow guy here to show us all the roads that we can search on for this starting location or this actual POS location. I want to drop in right here and see what's going on this little street. No dice. Maybe over here.
Xeni, what I suggested to the boys earlier, and I just thought about it this morning. I wish I had thought about it sooner because I think it would be a great value add for our partners and the people watching. I think we're going to do like a series of like 30-second spots for the sponsors so that when we launch the game rounds that are sponsored by them, like for this one for POS, we can actually play like a little 30-second spot while we're doing the games, so that it'll be a little bit entertaining. It'll be a little bit of extra promotion for them, something they can even use down the line, and it also will promote find to earn. So I think we're going to incorporate something like that soon as well. Did we lose the game master?
Maybe.
It's impossible. He's back.
There he
Okay,
is.
I'm back. I'm always back. Okay, let's go. We have a winner. It's Lil Dude. We play two
Lil Dude.
whitelist rounds right now. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, 2 whitelist rounds coming up at you. The whitelist rounds are for new players. They're a little bit easier. You get a drop in. You don't have to actually start from above. You drop in right near the location that you're searching for. All you usually have to do is move forward and pay attention to what you're looking at and really quick share it. And it's only eligible for new players, so you guys don't have to compete with some of our pro players like Lil Dude, who's actually one of the top performers in the find to earn rounds.
Yeah, okay, let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We launched both whitelist rounds. Let's go.
Let's go.
Andy, let's go, Hajime. Vamos.
Hajime.
Jime. Vámonos.
All right, so we were looking for a flat earth, a piece of flat land right here. That's a flat earth right here. Boom, boom, boom. Right outside of this looks like a horse training area where they walk the horse around and try to break the horse. Let's check it out. Here, we click on that link, it'll take us to our starting location.
Okay, the winner of first whitelist round is Sensei Bloyan, and we play in the second round right now. You need to find flat field.
Let's
Same
go.
week back. A damn good start to find or earn.
And we have a winner, it's Kyle T. Salim.
Congratulations. Get back, hunters.
Okay, we play open rounds, we play rush today. Get ready, everyone. Let's go.
Get
Let's
ready.
play
Get
Bob.
your coffee ready.
Yeah, let's play the Bob rounds. Bob rounds launching soon. Everyone get back. We launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, hunters.
Let's go.
Vamos.
Come on, Scott.
Skull Coin page, refreshing the page. We are at Skull Coin BTC on X. Looking for the game round. We are looking for Bob the Builder this round. Let's go. Bob is near this little, it looks like they've got some tractors and all sorts of stuff that maybe you might be able to rent. It's a tractor rental place. Make sure you like and share the game round. Put that link there, it'll take you to your starting location. Starting location. We are looking around in France.
Okay, the first person who found is the Great One.
The Great One coming in clutch again. Wins a lot.
Let's play the next one. We are playing Leo game. It's launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hajime.
Itzu. Jekalo. Let's go.
Hyundai.
All right, what are we looking for here? So we are looking for this Leo cat sitting on this balcony here, some sort of little balcony. Let's see about it.
So far, we've had Bitcoin Pepe. I missed that one. We've had Flat Earth. We've had Build on Bob. We had POS to start. We have Leo Coin up next, and we have a few more to go. And really super fortunate to have all of this, all of these sponsors contributing and participating in these rounds for our community.
A big shout out to our community founders that are sponsoring the Finder.
Okay, looks like the winner here is DeGrants Hash, and we continue.
DeGrants Hush is another one of those players that is climbing the leaderboard.
DeGrants Hush has been playing for a while too. I believe he started on the whitelist though.
Okay, we are playing the droid game right now. Everyone get ready. Droid game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let the hunt begin.
Come on, Scan.
Come on, Scan.
And the last
It's
game
Zoo.
will be jackpot game.
Let's go. Jekalo. Bitcoin hit 114K. Let's go.
Pumping, dude. Pumping today. All right, so we're looking for this little droid in a next to this little kind of like a, I guess a shack or like little hut thing next to this compound. So let's see about it. See if we can find it. You guys are whooping up on these find iron rounds today. Too fast. We are looking in this is in Argentina.
We still have no winner. More reposts and likes. More reposts and likes. Don't forget.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to like and repost the game rounds. It's very important. Helps us
You should
grow.
do.
We still have no winner. Let's go. Come on, hurry up, hunters. I have a business in my underworld.
It's true.
Much business taking place in the underworld. Things that make you go.
Repost and like before you play. Okay, let me actually repost the stream by Talcoin and before the jackpot game. Okay, so we can launch jackpot game while you searching. Okay, we have a winner and it's one and only GPSC.
Let's go. W's in the chat. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Taking more W's, bro.
Hey. Andy's streaming.
He beats
Hard to
everyone.
do. Hard to win in stream.
Yeah, he beats
It
everyone
is.
here. Okay, let's play the last jackpot round.
All right, jackpot round coming up. We have about 9 minutes left. So once we launch, we'll do about a 5-minute jackpot round. Is it nobody won yesterday, right?
Yeah, we play 30 stacks price. Let's go. Could you count down, please?
I will do the countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good luck, hunters.
Let the hunt begin.
So we were looking for this, chest, this find or earn chest at the back of this, looks like a red little ranger that's pulling a giant, whatever this is, down this road. Tiny little truck. Handling the business. Alright, let's take a look. This is our starting location.
Okay, should we drop the clue today?
Yeah, we can drop a clue.
I like clues. Looking around in Brazil.
Okay, we drop clue in 1 minute. Be on the organized stream, on the organized show to get the clue in moment. Catch the timing.
Yeah, you guys definitely want to be on the live stream for the clue. It's almost always one shortly after the clue when it does get one from the clue.
Right. Okay, we're dropping the clue right now and give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes more. The clue is under the post on Skullcoin BTC account. You have to go to the west. To the left, west.
To the west. West side.
AI coming in with some good tense music too.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
guy's got it. Always comes in clutch. Makes it feel challenging.
Okay, we have new player who just tried to play. We will add him to whitelist. Black Crypt, we see you. Okay,
I found it.
so we still have no winner. 2 minutes more and we wrap it up. We move the price tomorrow.
I found it.
Oh, you found it, dude? Let's
I
go.
found it.
Grab it.
Oh, congrats.
Let's go.
Yeah, congrats, Chris,
DeOrganized
but
Morning.
seems like you was a second, unfortunately.
Oh, was I second? That's
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, you just 9 seconds later.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. I don't mind. I love just finding it. It's been a long time since I actually found
Yeah,
it.
well played,
feel
Chris,
good.
well played.
Congratulations to the winner.
So
Huge
please
shout
let
out.
me drop the proof. The proof, and the winner is Saki.btc. He was the first. He was just faster than Peace for, I believe, 9 seconds, yeah? Or how much here?
Congratulations. Awesome stuff. I came close on a couple of games today. The chess match, I almost
close,
outlasted
dude.
300, but I didn't quite make it. And, and now I was just a little bit late on this one too, but I had fun playing. I love doing this with you guys. GP, I'm going to let you close out the show because I'm going to drop out if you're cool with that.
Yeah, dude.
I'm actually.
Yeah,
Let me set the music for you. I'll redo. I'll change off to the. There we go.
right on.
You got the vibes. Guys, thank you so much. Awesome stuff. I got to get into the DeGrants space. It starts in like 4 minutes. I got 4 minutes to go heat up my coffee and start that space, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace
See you
out.
then. Peace. Yeah, so another awesome episode of the Let's Go Morning Show. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Do we have anything else going on today?
Thank you, everyone.
Things?
No,
thank
let's
you.
tune this DeGrants space. Let's listen it. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, GP. Well played. Thanks, Trihana. We're waiting for you in whitelists. We will launch like the games beside the organized show. Just make notification and you'll be forever in whitelists. Maybe not forever like Melanie, but at least 3 times to win. See you.
Yeah, respect to you.
Yeah, dude. So another awesome episode 3. We got the DeGrants Cohort spaces coming up at 10 a.m. ET. Then we have the Zest Town Hall at 11 a.m. moving straight into the screen share in the Zest Discord after that. What you got going on today, man? Anything new?
Yeah. Today is just the regular, just some AI cooking, learning some new stuff, and yeah. What time is the screen share? So I can see if I'm able to jump in.
So it'll be right after the Zest Town Hall, so probably around noon. So like about 2 hours. 2 hours from now, we'll be doing the screen share. Be cooking some content, and then also playing some games in the Discord. So should be fun. But yeah, dude. Hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Have a high frequency one. May love surround you. We are DeOrganized, bringing it to you live with Bitcoin Live broadcasting. Yeah, go to deorganized.media, set up your profile today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. ET. Let's go. Have a blessed one. Peace.